What is up everyone? In today's video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open your settings. In settings, here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. In last, you can see the option erase all data. It means factory data reset. Now click on it. Now enter a password to do factory data reset. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, any personal data in your device. It will be removed. After do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.